If you're experiencing a server timeout error while playing Baldur's Gate 3, don't worry. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue with a few simple steps. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Baldur's Gate 3 website or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Baldur's Gate 3 completely and then relaunch it. This can help reset any temporary issues that may be causing the server timeout error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam, go to your library, right-click on Baldur's Gate 3, select Properties, then go to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can try restarting your router or connecting to a different network to see if that resolves the issue. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, your firewall or antivirus software may block the game from connecting to the servers. Check your settings to ensure that Baldur's Gate 3 is allowed through your firewall and that your antivirus is not interfering with the game. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the server timeout error and get back to enjoying Baldur's Gate 3. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.